Alright, let's solve this one. This is number 62 on stoichiometry. What mass of glucose is needed to prepare 25 ml of 1.75 molar glucose solution? Your glucose is C6H12O6 and it has a molar mass of about 180 grams per mole. That's good to know. So the concentration is the number of moles divided by volume. I mean moles of solute, and then I mean volume of solution. So if the concentration is 1.75 and the volume of the solution is 25 ml, which you can divide by 1,000 to make that liters, and you have that already, it means that we can get the number of moles. The number of moles here will just be 1.75 multiplied by 0.25, and that should give you 0.04375. So let's assume that this is the calculated moles. Now, what happens next? We're trying to get the mass. So the mass is really easy now. Is going to be moles multiplied by molar mass. Okay, so the moles is 0.04375 as you know. And guess what the molar mass is? What we wrote before, 180. So that means that you have this multiplied by 180, and that's 7.875 grams, which is 7.9 grams. Okay, and that's how you solve this